traders, my name is Sabinus. In this video, I will show you how to create TradingView. Let's get started. Hello, welcome to DSFX7 Apex. In this video, I will teach you how to create a TradingView account, one of the most important tools every Forex traders need. Before we proceed, you have to understand that TradingView is a charting platform used by traders worldwide to analyze financial markets. It allows us to view price charts, draw trade lines, identify market structure, and perform technical analysis. All right, so I'm using Google Chrome. So go to your browser and click and type TradingView. It will take you to this interface. Enter TradingView track all markets. Okay, when you click it, it will take you to this interface. All right, go to products. Inside products, click Superchart. All right, it will take you to this interface. Then come to this tray line here on your left hand side and click it. Here you will see join, and here you will see sign in. I created Virgin account few minutes ago. I just decided to make a video so that new beginners can still learn how to create account. So here you have a multiple choice to create your account. You can use Google account, Apple account, Facebook account, or email address to join. All right, so if you sign in with your if you join with your email, the process you are going to follow, they are going to send you verification link. All right, so when you click your verification link, you follow the prompt. Once it's verified, your account will be activated. All right, so let me quickly log into my Virgin account. All right, so in the search box at the top left corner here, click it. This is your watch list. All right, type the currency pair you want to analyze. Okay, any type of currency you want to analyze is here. Euro, USD, so everything you want to analyze is here. Just type the currency pair you want to analyze and it will appear for you. You click the plus button to add it to your watch list. All right, so I will not be showing you everything in this video. Right here, TradingView provide different time frames such as 1 minute time frame, 2 minute time frame, 15-minute time frame, 1 hour time frame, daily time frame. So as a swing trader, we primarily focus on the higher time frame, 4 hour time frame, daily time frame, weekly time frame, monthly time frame for our top down analysis. All right, congratulations if you have successfully created your TradingView account and access your first chart. In the next lesson, we will explore the TradingView interface, learn how to navigate the platform, and understand the essential tools every professional traders use. Remember, a professional trader does not trade blindly. Every trade begins with proper chart analysis. Welcome to the discipline side of Forex. Remember to hit the like button, subscribe, and share to that beginner that is looking for a way to create a TradingView account. Make sure you turn on your notification bell so that anytime I drop a free Forex educational video, you will be notified, because I will be dropping free Forex educational video for you guys every week. All right, bye for now.